Welcome back to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Samsung S23 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. Scroll down and search MMS messages app. Click on messages app, click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on general management. Click on reset and reset network settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.